Hey guys, I'm just testing this old alarm. It's this, forgot the make, so it's just a piece of shit. Just want to see if it works. So let's plug it in. So we've got to plug this in. I'll just turn. Alright, so it's come on. There we go. Let's see if the speaker's working without touching that. Right, so if we put the code in, which is 2412 I think. Oh, look. Wow. You're catching fire, what the fuck? Unless it was just a speaker. It doesn't smell burnt. Let's plug it in again and see what happens. Right, let's try it again. It was definitely smoking. Wow. Oh my god, just stay in, you piece of crap. How the fuck do you reset this shit? Oh, it's because the fucking cover's on, isn't it? Where the fuck is the tamper? Does it even have tamper? Where the fuck is the tamper on this shit? I don't think it has tamper. Pretty sure it doesn't. No, I don't know. Ah, there it is. Tamper's there, isn't it? Nope, I don't know. It's fucked. That's what's wrong with it. Let me put the cover on and see what happens. The cover's back on now, so let's plug it in again. Let's see what it says. It says, So if I just leave it and just put the code in as 2412 I think. Try it again. I don't know. So it says so that's unset. And then the old code was 2412 and that doesn't work. Why is it making noises when I tap it? Like if I press 2, no what happens. So 20 or 12. It's a piece of shit. Jesus Christ, how the fuck did they work these out? Gee. It might be because all the fucking tampers are you know, the designs. It's not complete. Oh no, gonna die. Oh well, it's a piece of shit. It needs to go in the bin anyway, so yeah. Just how you take the cover off. Yeah, look, it's a piece of shit. So I think you need to just fucking put all them tampers shit in. Yeah. So yeah, it's a piece of shit, so yeah. Don't even say like a service date or anything on it. Just said enter, exit. Yeah, it's just a piece of shit. So yeah, I'm just gonna chuck it in the bin, I think.